Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nasalli ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'd. Our next phrase is adverbial phrase. Adverbial phrase in Arabic is called zarf. Zarf is of two types, zarful zaman and zarful makan. Zarful zaman is adverbial of time and zarful makan is adverbial of place. Zarf literally means envelope or container. So it is a container in which an activity takes place, or we can say it is a container in which action of the verb takes place. So if we look at this sentence, al-waladu amam al-masjidi. Al-waladu, the boy, amam al-masjidi, is in front of the mosque. So amama means in front. So if we look at this construction carefully, the construction is that of possessive phrase. But in standard possessive phrase, we have two nouns linked to each other in a connection of ownership or possession. So here, although the construction of this is exactly the same as that of a standard possessive phrase, but it is not really that typical link of ownership between these two words. Amama is not really owned by the masjid. If we say Babul Masjidi, the door of the mosque, in that case the door belongs to the mosque, but that is not the case when we say Amam al Masjidi. So the construction is typically that of mudaf and mudaf ilayh, which is possessive phrase, but because of this adverbial word here, this is adverbial phrase, not possessive phrase or murakkab idafi. Now, if we analyze this, we will say mudaf, mudaf ilayh, and that will be adverbial phrase or zarf here. In grammar books of Arabic which are written in Urdu, they typically analyze this saying this is zarf and this is mudaf ilayh. So then they say zarf and mudaf ilayh combine to make this phrase, which then acts as whatever in a sentence. It could be, for example, khabar in a sentence. But really, if we look at it, this whole construction is zarf. Amam al-masjidi is zarf, and this is zarful makan. So that's one point. And the second is that I just said a minute ago that Babul Masjidi, when I used Babul, Bab I used in Rafa, but here this is in Nasab. So that's another difference between the standard mudaf and mudaf ilayh construction and adverbial phrase, that the adverbial verb is always in nasab. So amama, I have written quite a few words here. They're not all of them. Tahta, under, fawqa, above, amama, in front, khalfa, behind, ma'a, with, in the, by or with, ba'da, after, and baina, in betweens. So these are adverbial words, and we see all of them has been written in nasab, and they are used in the phrase in nasab as well, which basically means the last alphabet of this word will have fatha on it. But that is not the case in standard possessive phrase, because depending on what is happening before this construction, and the mudaf could be in rafa, mudaf could be in nasab, and mudaf could be in jar as well. So let's look at some Quranic examples. Kul innamal ilmu indallahi. Say, the knowledge of this is surely by Allah. Wa innama ana nazirun mubin, and I'm only a clear warner. That is Surah Mulk, ayah number 26. So our adverbial phrase here is indallahi, by Allah, or with Allah, you can translate as well. So you can see inda is in nasib here, and then the noun which follows this is always in jar, just like as it is in standard possessive phrase murakkab idafi. La tahzan inna Allah ma'ana. Don't worry, verily or surely the Allah is with us. So here, this is Surah Tawbah, ayah number 40. Ma, with, has been used with damir. It is not known ism like this. So just as in murakkab idafi, the standard possessive phrase, this noun or ism which is mudaf ilayh, the position of mudaf ilayh, could be an ism or it could be damir. So ma'ana, with us. Awalam yaraw ila tayri fawqahum safatim wa yakbidn. That is again Surah Mulk, ayah number 19. Do they not see the birds above them? Fawqahum, again with fawqa, which is adverbial word. The damir of hum has been used. Fawqahum, above them. Safatim wa yakbidn, spreading and enfolding, which means their wings. Fahkum bayna nasi bil haq. Allah is talking here to Prophet Daud. Be fair between people. Do justice between people. So when a problem comes to you, be fair. So bayna nasi, bayna, in between, and we have this mudaf alayh, which is known here, and it is in the state of jar, as mudaf alayh is always in the state of jar.